Hello and happy Friday morning to all of you. Welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William in India. Today, Feb 10, 2023. So as we see Nifty setup, last few days have been good for the market. Yesterday, Nifty just closed above its 21 DMA, that is key moving level. And now the focus will be on the 10-week moving average around 18,000 on the higher side, and the 50 DMA that is around 18,120. So on the higher side, these are the two important levels. Secondly, what you need to watch out for is the close yesterday above this green line, that is 21 DMA, was briefly above only. It was not a convincingly above, but the good part was that कि पिछले 2 दिन से निफ्टी डे हाई पे क्लोज हो रहा है. So that is something positive. Now, लास्ट टाइम इन जनवरी ऑल्सो इट हैपेंड. 21 डीएमए के ऊपर एक दिन आया था, वहां कंसोलिडेट किया, 50 नहीं रिक्लेम कर पाया एंड वहां से शार्पली फॉल हुआ. ठीक है. सो नाउ इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट के यहाँ पे भी जो मेन रेजिस्टेंस था ना, वो अगर वीकली चार्ट पे देखो तो 10 वीक मूविंग एवरेज था. So now the focus should be on the 10-week moving average, which is very close to 17,980, 85. तो broadly आप 18,000 का लेवल देख लो कि हाँ 18,000 के ऊपर निफ्टी सस्टेन होता है या नहीं. If it sustains, then you can expect some rally from that point of time, because that was acting as a very strong resistance. Okay. On the flip side, if today we fail to hold this 21 DMA, then the last two sessions low will be important, because जो वेंसडे का सेशन था उसका लो yesterday प्रोटेक्ट हुआ था. ठीक है, कल उसका लो प्रोटेक्ट हो गया था. तो यू वांट दैट लो टू होल्ड, जो 750 के अराउंड का लेवल है, 700 750 नीचे की साइड, वो होल्ड करना चाहिए. ठीक है, 700 to 750 zone, it is very important for Nifty to hold that level. On the higher side, 18,000 cross karna is important. So these are the two levels to look for as far as the Nifty is concerned. Now, if you look at the key news, Zomato came up with the result. Revenue growth was good, but again, the problem of profitability. वो एक जो ट्वीट वाला पूरा किया था उन्होंने 2 दिन पहले, he had indicated some profitability in the tweet to Vijay Shekhar of that Paytm कि हम भी अपनी profitability पे काम कर रहे हैं. But I think that was for the upcoming quarters and not this one. That's what it feels like. And then Lupin result was a decent one. It beat estimates on all fronts. The revenue growth was good. The EBITDA grew around 44% and margin also expanded. Aurobindo Pharma, the revenue beat estimate, but profit was a miss. Overall, decent number you can say. PAT declined 18.8% to 491 crore, but the revenue growth was good. The problem was the 200 pips of margin contraction. Fine Organic Q3 numbers, revenue grew 64%, EBITDA grew 87%, while the margin also expanded around 2.8%. United Breweries was a big miss yesterday, so revenue grew only 1.9%. The EBITDA fell 55% to 76 crore, and margin eroded almost 620 bips, 6.2% to 4.8%. There were some other numbers as well. HPCL. So HPCL was a decent set of number. It was above estimate. Then IOB number was good. MTAR technology के numbers भी अच्छे थे. RITS was good. Sule Vineyard. So these numbers were good. Even on the pharma, one more was there. Alembic Pharma. वहाँ भी number अच्छा था. On the flip side, Adani Total Gas थोड़ा weak the result. Also LIC was not a strong set of numbers, and Voltas was also weak. Now one thing like so MSCI was, when giving interview to media, that is CNBC TV 18, they told that 4 Adani Group stocks to see a reduction in weightage in MSCI. So this might impact the group stocks as well, because if the weightage is reduced in MSCI, a lot of flows can be reduced. So just keep that in mind. The global market update, US not good one. So sorry, I think this was down more than 1%, from 1.5 or something. Okay, so Dow, S&P, Nasdaq were down. Asian market flat to negative, no major movement as far as the Asian market is concerned. If you look at the SGX Nifty, gap down opening is expected, but let's see, we still have some 15-20 minutes what happens. If you look at the current price, this is the future price, so somewhere around 800. So 100 point ka gap down expected looking at the SGX Nifty, but it might cover some 20-30 points. That's what it feels like. But let's see, on the downside, if we see that 700, 750, 800, these are the zone which Nifty should hold. Chart of the day, Coforge looks good as far as the setup is concerned. So if you see, the EPS strength is very good. The buyer demand is also super. The number of fund holding has increased over here. Recent quarter का results भी अच्छा था. Numbers, EPS growth, the sales growth was good. It is forming us. It had formed a stage 1 flat base. वहां से breakout हुआ. अभी sideways move दे रहा है when the market is not reclaim the key moving average. I think if Nifty goes about that 18,000 level and IT में थोड़ा momentum आता है, then the stock can be the part of your watch list, because यहाँ से ये already buy zone में है. And if you look at the price volume action, that is also positive. जब भी ऊपर जा रहा है, high volume पे जा रहा है, day high पे close हो रहा है, ठीक है. And whenever it is going down, the volume is generally on the lower side since last 8 to 10 sessions. So overall, a good story, and it's a good setup. So thank you for joining the session, guys. That's it today. Thank you very much.